Hello everyone. I would like to discuss the last minute revision package for the subject Human Resource Management 22 MBA 21. So this session will be really helpful for like management students, those who are appearing for the examination. This is the last minute revision package. So now what you are supposed to do is focus on these 10 topics before appearing for the examination: nature, scope, and functions of HRM, then HRM versus personal management, HRM planning process and barriers, recruitment process and sources, performance management process and common problems, then factors affecting the compensation and benefits, industrial relation, objectives and action, actors, HRM in SMEs versus large firms, HRM in service sector and service quality, ultimately future trends in HRM like a hybrid work mode, people analytics, diversity and inclusion, and the impact of AI also you are supposed to check out. These are the most probable exam questions which is repeated for several years. So now super short flash notes I would like to suggest you. From the unit 1, you are to focus on HRM management, people at work for organization goal, definition of HRM, functions, managerial, direct, operative, training, compensation, IR, etc. HRM versus personal management. Personal management is focused on the administrative routine, where HRM is actually strategic development, which is strategy focused approach. Coming to the unit number 2, it is HRM planning, recruitment and selection. Here, HRM planning in the sense analyze, forecasting the demand and supply, match, and finally take the action. So briefly, you have to elaborate it. Barriers are uncertainty, inaccurate data, and resistance as well as cost. These are the major barriers. Regarding the recruitment process, identify the vacancy, then prepare the job analysis, then identify the sources where you can give the advertisement, then screening, and finally select. These are the five important processes which are involved for the recruitment process. Even sources, internal sources, then external sources also available, then campus selection, agencies, etc. Unit number 3 is mainly focused on the performance management, like a compensation and IR. Performance management steps involves set the standard, monitor, evaluate, and finally take the feedback. Please understand the process accordingly. Problems, biasing, halo effect, strict and lenient errors, unclear standard. These are the major problems. Regarding the compensator factors, internal compensation factors are available, especially job worth, skills performance, and the external factors are market rate, cost of living, union, government rules, and the politics. Then IR objectives, fair workplace relations and avoid the conflict. These are the major IR objectives. Then actors in IR, employees, employers, government union, ILO, etc. These are the important thing you need to focus. Coming to the unit number 4, HRM in SMEs and service sector. SMEs includes informal HR, then limited training, centralized decision. That is comes under SMEs. Large firms include structured HR department, policies, career, etc. These are the major differences, small scale and large firms. There are HR varies from the small scale and the large scale organization. Service sector HRM includes service quality linked to employees, then higher training, customer focus, and the union challenges. These are the major segment you need to focus on the service sector HRM. Coming to the unit number 5, HRM and innovation, which includes flexi work, artificial intelligence in recruitment, HR analytics, digital HR, wellness programs. These are the topics which are comes under innovative practices. What is sustainable HRM? Green HR, then diversity, inclusion, etc. That is called a sustainable HRM. So regarding the futuristic trends or future trends, hybrid work model, office plus remote. So 3 days in office, another 3 days in remote place. People analytics, data-driven HR decision. Then diversity and inclusion, multi generalizational, gender, culture, diversity. These are the topics which are comes under diversity and inclusion. Employee well-being, mental health, balance, etc. All in one HR tools, integrated HR tech platforms. There are so many ERPs available. HR planning process flow, which will be including the objective identification of objective, then forecasting, matching, planning, and finally monitoring. These are the major things which are comes under HR planning process. If you get a question, kindly add this flow chart. Then performance management cycle includes setting the goals, monitor, then appraisal, feedback, and development. SWOT analysis in HRM you have to focus for IR and small scale industries. Attempt 5 questions out of 8. Question number 8 is compulsory. Usually the future trends, HRM in India, innovative practice will be one of the sure short questions in question number 8. 60% of the preparation from unit number 1 to that is 100% enough to pass. But if you are targeting for pass percentage, you try to cover others also. 40% of the preparation is required for unit number 4, 5, and 6 for good compulsory and short notes. These are the major strategy you can apply for getting good score. Similarly, with the revision, students can attempt at least 70% of the paper confidently. I'm very damn sure about that. So if you have any queries, you can use the comment box. If you need the similar kind of videos in future, I request you to subscribe our channel. Also, kindly give the like button if you please the video. Don't forget to share the same video with those who are preparing the human resource management paper. Also, kindly give the comment for the future betterment for my channel. Happy learning. I wish you all the very best. We'll see in the coming video. Happy learning. Good luck for the examination. Thank you.